Per Inside EVs, Ford is launching a new program called the Ford Power Promise to address common concerns about electric vehicles. Starting October 1st, Ford will include a free home Level 2 charger with the purchase or lease of any new electric vehicle. Ford will also cover installation costs, which typically range from $2,000 to $10,000, though certain exceptions apply, like digging trenches. The program aims to reduce charging anxiety by making home charging easier and more affordable. Ford's research found that 89% of potential buyers are more likely to go electric if they have home charging, yet 46% don't fully understand how it works. The program applies to models like the Mustang Mach-E, F-150 Lightning, and E-Transit van. In addition to the home charger, buyers will get 24/7 technical support, complimentary roadside assistance, and an 8-year or 100,000-mile battery warranty. Ford hopes these benefits will help bridge the gap between existing EV owners and those hesitant to make the switch. You are listening to UON News.